हेलो ट्रेडर्स। आज 4 अगस्त और हम देख रहे हैं गोल्ड एट 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम। सो गोल्ड जो है काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग पोजीशन में है फ़िलहाल। अभी जो है ना प्राइस ने एक बियरिश ट्रेंड में था, उसके बाद एक मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट हुआ, उसके बाद नाउ प्राइस इज़ बुलिश। सो you know predominantly we will be only looking for buy trades, but also if there is a sell opportunity present itself तो हम sell भी कर सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर प्राइस एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रेंड में है तो वी कैनॉट टेक अपोजिट ट्रेड्स। प्राइस ऑलवेज पुल्स बैक। सो बट यू शुड know how much risk to reward you can expect when you are trading against the trend, because trend के साथ हो तो you can expect a risk to reward which is up to even 1:5, but when you are trading against the trend आई वुड एडवाइज कि 1:2 और मैक्सिमम जो है 1:3 आप ट्रेंड के अगेंस्ट ले। उससे ज़्यादा जो है इट कुड बी प्रॉब्लमेटिक। तो द रीज़न फॉर दिस बाय zone here is कि this price and this area here has become a support and resistance kind of zone। पहले ये जो है सपोर्ट था, फिर यहाँ पे इसने रेजिस्टेंस शो करी। ऑल्सो देर इज़ दिस इज़ द फेयर वैल्यू गैप, दिस इज़ अ बिग फेयर वैल्यू गैप। बट अगर इतना बड़ा फेयर वैल्यू गैप होता है तो वी ओनली टेक 50% वैल्यू। तो 50% वैल्यू जो है इसकी यहाँ पे है। सो दैट वुड बी आवर बाय जोन। यहाँ से हम बाय कर सकते हैं अगर प्राइस कम्स बैक टू दिस जोन हेयर। if we're looking to sell, then there is a sell opportunity which is at this price range, you know so the reason for that is price is already swept and this equal high। price क्या करेगा, अब इस equal high की जो बाय साइड लिक्विडिटी है इसको स्वीप करके इट विल रिएक्ट टू दिस इनवर्स फेयर वैल्यू गैप। होपफुली एक इनवर्स फेयर वैल्यू गैप है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इस फेयर वैल्यू गैप ने इस फेयर वैल्यू गैप को डिसरिस्पेक्ट किया है, because this was a bullish fair value gap and price, instead of showing bullish signs, it continued in a bearish momentum. So that's why now this is an inverse fair value gap। so inverse fair value gap is just like support and resistance flip। अगर previous support अगर break होती है तो that will act as resistance, और अगर previous resistance break होती है तो that will now act as support। so the same theory applies on fair value gaps as well। so this area will now be resistance, so we can take a sell trade from here। so if the price comes back to this area, we can then open a sell trade। so like I said, gold is open for both the trades at this point, either buy or sell। बट लाइक आई सेड, रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड विल बी डिफरेंट। अगर मैं बाय ट्रेड लूँगा तो माई रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड, अगर प्राइस पहले ही नीचे आता है तो देन आई विल यू नो टारगेट दिस नेक्स्ट ड्रॉन लिक्विडिटी, डेट विल बी दिस वन हेयर, क्योंकि मुझे पता है प्राइस यहाँ के सेल होगा। तो आई विल गेट अ रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 1:5, which is brilliant when you are trading with the trend। this is the kind of risk to reward you should get and you can expect। on the other hand, अगर प्राइस पहले इस जोन पे आ जाता है तो what I'll do is I'll sell, but I'll be a little cautious, और स्टॉप लॉस भी मैं इसमें ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं रखूँगा। and I will only take 1:3। you know this will be my risk to reward if the price comes back to this sell area first। so depending on where the price will come next, my trade will be executed। what I'll do is I place a buy limit order at this zone, क्योंकि I do not advise to any of my students to take market execution। you know market execution is not a good idea if you are a beginner trader। the reason for that is because when you are doing a market execution, your psychology will be messed up, because when you have the power of just buy and sell whenever you like, just एक बटन दबाया buy, एक बटन दबाया sell, then obviously you will not be doing rules based trading, what you will be doing impulsive trading। rules based trading तब होती है when you have marked your zone, like what I have done right now। I have marked my zones, I am waiting patiently, if the price comes to my area my sale will be triggered। this is how you should trade, guys। you should not be chasing candles at On the contrary, you should wait for the price to come to your areas first, to your area of interest. That's how you can be profitable in long run. क्योंकि बाय सेल में क्या होगा, मार्केट एग्जीक्यूशन में आपने अभी $100 बनाए, उसके बाद फिर से एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिख जाएगी, क्योंकि every candle is an opportunity, so either 5 minutes or 1 minute, 15 minutes, every candle is opportunity. So what you will do is, instead of waiting patiently in your zones, you will be then executing trades left, right, and center. And that's how most people don't make money. That's how in our pro-mentorship program, we always teach our students to mark these zones. Do your analysis. एक बार चार्ट पे आओ, अपना एनालिसिस किया, उसके बाद यू कैन गो एंड कंटिन्यू डूइंग वट एवर यू आर डूइंग. यू कैन कंटिन्यू डूइंग योर जॉब, go to gym, do whatever you want, because you don't need to sit on the charts all day now. Your job is done. You have figured out these two areas of interest, and if the price comes here, there's a buy limit order waiting for the price, and the price will be triggered, and you will get your profit. And on the other hand, if the price comes to this sell area first, same thing will happen. The sale will be, and the trade will be triggered, and you will be automatically tagged along in the trade. So this is a professional way of trading rather than just pressing buttons, because this is not, you don't need to be a machine gunner in trading. You need to be a sniper. One good trade a day or one good trade in 2 days is fine. That's all you need to be profitable. You don't need to trade every hour or every half an hour to be profitable, because the more you will trade, the more chances are that you will incur losses. So this is it for my gold analysis for Monday, 4th of August. I hope you guys find it interesting. For more interesting videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and follow our Telegram. Thank you. See you in the next video.